Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Uber trip history. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. But no matter what you're going to do, simply going to go ahead, swipe up and go to your Uber app. Once you have done so, you're going to open up your Uber app, and this is the kind of interface you're going to get the right. Afterwards, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, tap on this activity option where you can actually see the past activities, the rides, the history that you have taken. You can actually go ahead, tap on this filter option and filter according to your need as well. Once you are done, you're going to go ahead, select the particular ride you want to delete from. Over here I currently do not have any, but you can select the particular ride, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and then you will find this option called delete ride. Simply go ahead, tap delete on that, and again do the confirmation, and you will be able to delete your particular trip or ride history from your Uber like that. So this is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.